welcome to my channel. So today I have an interesting video and I love watching hauls. So today I just decided that I'm going to do a haul video. By the title you already know that I'm going to do a beauty center haul, and I bought quite a lot of things. Like this bag is full of beauty center products, and if you know already or if you don't know, beauty center is one place where you get a lot of drugstore and high-end beauty products at cheaper rate. So it's kind of a discounted place, so you can just go buy whatever you really want. Most of the things that I bought from Forever 21, really I missed it so much. Most of the things that I've bought from beauty center are actually for me, but I've also purchased things for my mom and for my dad, so that is also going to be included in this video. I'm going to list all the prices in the info bar below, so please be sure to check that out. I'll just go in just random order. The first thing I bought is this Pond's Age Miracle. This actually my mom got it, so she got this for her. It's a day cream and it has SPF 15 PA++. The second thing that I bought is Pond's Gold Radiance Youth Night Repair Cream. So this is again for my mom. It's supposed to have gold in it. They had an offer. If you buy products from Age Miracle over 1,000 rupees, you get a bag. So I got this bag. It's actually a nice bag. I mean, the quality sucks, but it's quite a cute bag. So I'm going to do something with it. I actually like it. I have a lot of waste leather lying around, so I can actually add fringes to it. It's gonna be perfect, so I cannot wait to mess around with this bag or just carry it as it is, because it's quite a nice color. And this is my favorite. I love this face wash. I've been using it since the time they had launched. That is probably 2 or 3 years. I have an oily face, so this really helps me to remove all the oils from my pores. First bag down. This is my second bag. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already know I've been struggling to grow my nails. I have been biting my nails for 22 years. Been biting my nails ever since I was born. So this is actually the progress. I don't know if you can see, it's pretty bad. So to encourage myself to grow my nails healthier and better, I've bought nail products. So this is the buffet. So it's basically something which has the nail filer, then it has like a buffing tool, so you can just buff it and really make it shiny. So this is again like a reminder, and it's going to be there constantly in my bag just in case I'm tempted to bite my nails, so I'll know that I spent some money to grow these nails out. Next thing I got is a nail filer, again the nail story. So I just bought this nail filer. My mom wanted a tweezer, so she got a really fancy looking matte finish tweezer. I also bought these really cute fancy looking makeup brushes. It just has like this really tint of pink color and it's synthetic. I actually want to give it away to someone, so I just bought it. So this has like an animal print metallic thing, so I really like it. And I got these actually this is supposed to be a manicure scissor, but my father is going to use it to trim off his mustache, so I got this for him. This is the nail polish removers, and I bought one lemon flavored one grape flavored one, and one sweet orange flavored one. I'm going to give this to my little cousins because they like to play around with nail polishes and things like that, so this is just going to help them. So I just bought these for them. Also I got myself a pedal brush. I had one which was wooden and I just wanted to replace that one because that's gotten old, so I bought this. It has a cool print as well, so I just wanted that. What I bought for myself is an eyelash color, and I got this for really cheap. So the story of my life is that I had 2 eyelash curlers and I just have one drawer full of makeup, and I always try to pull it so hard. It's always my eyelash curler which is stuck in between. So whenever I pull it out, either this thing, if you can see, this is my older one, it just doesn't do anything. Like, it has no pressure. I can actually break it right now, but I won't do it because it was my favorite and my first, so the first is always going to be the best one. So the next thing I bought is purifying neem pack, and this is the best face mask that I've been using. I think I finished 4 or 5 packs of the big one, and this time they did not have the big one, so I had to settle for a smaller one, so I bought that. So I also bought myself some sanitary napkins, and you get it cheaper there, so I just bought like a couple. You can see that's more than a couple, but we shall just keep that away. I bought myself an under eye cream. I am very religious when it comes to night creams and night products. Trust me, it doesn't matter how expensive your moisturizers are, it just has to be a good one which suits you. So I always stay up late night, and I really need something to put something under eye every night. And I had a cream which was from Nature's, and this works very well for me. I suppose Nature's Essence is supposed to be a normal brand. It's not an expensive brand at all, but it really works well for me. If you can see, I don't have the worst dark circles in my eyes, but I'm a person who sleeps at 2 every night and wake up at 9, but I do stress my eyes a lot. I'm on the computer all the time, and if I'm not on my computer, I'm on my phone or watching television, so my eyes are always exposed to bad things. So I really need something to kind of break away from all of that stress. And I had the under eye serum from Nature's Essence previously, but this time they have changed it and it's something else, so I'm just going to use this one every night now. I don't know. Next thing I bought is aromatherapy. That is what it's called. It's called the facial kit. I bought that for myself. Then also I bought tea tree oil. Pimples and we've had our rough times. If you can hear me, pimples, acne, everyone, just listen to me. If you're anywhere around here, I hate you. I hope they've got that straight. And if they haven't, they should know that I have tea tree oil with me. I'm gonna kill all of you. I hate you, pimples. I hate you. Ain't nobody got time for pimples. The next thing that I have here is a water spray bottle. My dad uses this every morning. He wakes up and then he sprays it all over his face. Don't ask. You don't want to know why he does that, because even I've not figured that out yet. So I've just bought this for him because he's been using the older bottle for I think 2 years now, so it's time for change and it's time for some more pink. Also, I have heard so many YouTubers raging over the lip creams. I couldn't stop not wanting them. So I bought myself some lip creams. Authentic Beauty Cosmetics. That sounds really fancy, so I just bought these. These were not as expensive as the Miss Claire ones, but I don't wear makeup every day and I already have too much of makeup lying at home. I just had to stop myself from buying all of their shades, but I'm just going to swatch it on my hand so you can see how they look. So the first color is this 501 Lip Makeup. That is what it's called. I'm going to swatch it right here. So it's a nice nudie brown color. I really wanted this. The next is the red one, which is S523. I'm going to swatch this over here, and it's the brightest red. If you can see, red. I'm wearing this right now. The next color I bought is this orange one. I'm sorry, I'm just swatching it so weirdly, so I have to like move my arm this way. And The consistency is very nice. It dries out really matte and dry, so I think you will have to put like a moisturizer over your lips. For the last lip color that I bought, where everyone is raging over, is the Miss Claire one. I haven't really opened it yet, so this is the number 7. I'm just going to open it. It's completely sealed, so I'm really excited to try it because everyone is just going Miss Claire lipsticks, and I haven't opened this yet, so I'm going to open it now. I was very excited when I found it, and they had so many colors, and I'm like, oh my god, I need to buy them all. But I really do not wear lipsticks or makeup for that matter every day. Ugh. Okay, so I managed to open it, and yay, I'm so excited. So I'm going to swatch this color, and this is a beautiful pink color. It's quite bright and I like it. This is what the color looks like. I'm sorry, I'm so bad at swatching. These are all the 4 colors that I bought today, and I don't know, this helps. So this is what all the colors look like. These were cheaper than this one, so, and it looks the same. The only difference is, I'm just going to do a close-up. One is a little more creamy, whereas these have just gone dry completely. Now you've reached the end of this video. I hope you guys like my haul, and let me know if you want to see any more videos or specific reviews and swatches to any of these products. I love you all. Thank you for watching and sticking right till the end of the video. Bye.